Hey there, today I have this Christmas tree light, and this is great for anywhere outdoor. It's a ton of fun. The lights are nice and bright. As you can see, each of these little bulbs are little LED lights that light up, they dance, and just do a great job at entertaining. And so these are really nice, super smart way to decorate. Not only do you have a remote that you can control all the different modes on. Not only does it have a remote that you can control all the modes on, but it also has an app that you can download. It just connects with Bluetooth, so then you're able to control it with your phone. That way you're also able to sync it with music and everything like that. So let's try the music one. And you have all these different music that you can do. So as you can see, you have this type of music here with the energy. You have more rhythmic music. So it will pick up the different sounds around it and will actually react to it. And you can do all these different modes within the music mode. So this is a really neat feature. You can set it up to your music. And you can even control the lights on it with your finger. And so there's a scene, you can pick how you want it. So there's all these different modes that you can do. You can make up your own with the DIY option, so it's super versatile and it's beginner friendly. So you can just sort of play with it, see what works for you, and it's super neat. So that's the app there. It's a great way to do it. If you're not comfortable with an app, it does have a remote that can do most of the same things. You have a ton of modes there on it, or you can do it manually by pushing the button. And that will change different modes as well. So a couple different options with that. So if you're looking for a new way to decorate the outside this year, I would definitely check this out. Thanks for watching.